as well. So really what we're concerned about when it comes to loss of agency is it's the idea of automated decision making. Decisions are being made about us without asking us. They are made based on data points collected about us, but we don't know which data points those are. We don't know if these are the relevant ones. And that's, for instance, where the bias question comes in. The system, the automated decision-making system, was built for some kind of majority client-based systems, and data points were selected that would be relevant for that kind of majority group. But there are lots of minority groups who have different kinds of interests, but their interests will not be reflected based on simply the data points that were relevant to that majority group. And so now these minority groups will basically suffer to have to be classified, have to receive the kinds of results that were tailored towards the majority group. And if there is no human in the loop that has the capacity to think beyond the script that was given to them, the script of these are the data points. If a person has this, that, and that, then you give them that. That was the squishy bit, the part that under a human operated decision-making system, there would still be the opportunity to say, well, yes, according to your checklist, I go into these groups, but there are these other things that your checklist doesn't have, and the human would have the capacity through their actual understanding of the world to be able to say, well, actually, I understand these things. They actually shift you into that other kind of category. The automated system doesn't have that, because the automated system has no understanding of the world. It simply has mappings between data sets that were trained. So that's one of the big areas where agency connects to the kinds of questions around bias, for instance. And so sort of at the core of the agency questions are a couple of factors. One is, do we know that this kind of decision making is happening? So for instance, content recommendation online, we were doing a project with young people, 13 to 17-year-olds. They've basically grown up in this world with personalized kind of content recommendation. You don't know what it is that hasn't been offered to you. But if you don't even know that a selection process is happening to begin with, you don't even know that maybe you need to be checking this in. Perhaps you should be putting in a different kind of search. So knowing that a decision is happening is one thing. Having some kind of a ability to tell the system, these parameters that you're using aren't the relevant parameters for me. When we were talking with especially people from like LGBTQ community and others, or transsexuals, one of the things that they really pointed out is I don't care whether the algorithm is capable of saying you were 60% male and 40% female, as opposed to making it binary. The thing that I care about is that I'm not being asked. It's not asking me my opinion. It's just assigning something to me. That is the core of where I feel infringed on my human rights. And those kinds of questions arise. Then there's, is there a point where people can actually engage with the system and make changes if the automated response doesn't happen? And that's where we see a lot of the concern when automated decision making is being used in public services, like in assigning of benefits, or choosing whether somebody has the right for asylum or something like that, if it's a fully automated system. And the frontline workers no longer have the capacity to inject their own judgment into this, then there is a breakdown in respecting the humanity of the people that are being impacted. I'll hand over to Luis, I guess. Louis.